In other news, the defamation case against former Northern Cape ANC Chairperson and Finance MEC John Block is expected to resume today at the Northern Cape High Court in Kimberley. Block and his legal team are being sued by a former Judge President Frans Kgomo for alleging that Kgomo influenced the court's decision to find Block guilty of fraud and corruption. Kgomo is suing them for 7.5 million rand for the alleged defaming statements made in 2016. For more on this, let's cross live now to SABC News reporter Ulrich Hendriks. Ulrich, a good morning to you. What are we expecting to see take place today in court?
Well, yesterday, Naledi, was John Block's evidence in chief, of course, defending himself against the allegations by former Judge President of the Northern Cape High Division, Frans Kgomo. He basically said that, he was following the advice of his former legal team, one of which, Majila, has passed on. So basically, he was just explaining that, Majila came to him with the allegation that some of the Black Lawyers Association members overheard Frans Kgomo and the trial judge Violet Patswane colluding to say that they must find John Block guilty. And so they then went through the processes. They first went to speak to Judge President in chambers. She dismissed the allegation there. And then they asked for a special entry when the criminal case resumed. During that special entry, they forwarded an affidavit by John Block, where these allegations were, of course, then aired. Of course, they also referred the matter to the Judicial Services Commission, who John Block testified. He later found out that they declined to basically investigate. And so the criminal case went ahead, and John Block says in 2019, when he was already serving his sentence for the trifecta matter, that's when he got the summons for this case. And he basically just explained that all of this, he followed the regulations, and he was basically protecting his rights by bringing this to the court to say that this is the allegations, make a verdict, which the judge did. He took it to the Judicial Services Commission, which he had a right to, which the JSC then dismissed. And so basically he's saying that he cannot understand why he's finding himself in this position, because he did what the law asked him to do to protect his rights in the criminal case, to get a fair trial. And so today he's expected to be cross-examined by Judge Kgomo's legal representatives, and of course of the other defendants in this matter. His legal team will basically then question him about the affidavit and how it came to be about that this summons has been, or this civil matter is now in the Northern Cape High Court. Naledi?
So much for that update. That there, our reporter Ulrich Hendriks is speaking to us outside the Northern Cape High Court, where he of course was bringing us the details in the court proceedings there that will be taking place of convicted former ANC chair John Block in the Northern Cape, facing a defamation case suit brought by former Judge President of the High Court Frans Kgomo.